In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show profile picture instead of video in Zoom. If you want Zoom to display your profile photo when your camera is turned off, the first thing you need to do is make sure a profile picture has been uploaded to your account. Without that image in place, Zoom may just show your name or a blank placeholder instead. To get started, go to the Zoom web portal in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Profile under the My Account section. This is where Zoom stores your personal account details, including the image that appears during meetings. On the profile page, hover your mouse over the default picture area or over your current image if you already have one. You should see a pencil icon appear. Click that icon to edit your profile picture. From there, Zoom will give you the option to choose an image from your device or take a photo, depending on your setup. Select the photo you want to use, keeping in mind that it needs to be under 2 megabytes in size. After selecting it, adjust the crop area so your face is centered and easy to recognize, then click Save. That takes care of the setup. Once your profile picture is uploaded, using it in a meeting is very simple. When you're inside a Zoom meeting, go to the bottom left corner of the meeting window. There you'll see the camera icon with the video label. Click that icon to turn your camera off. When video is disabled, you'll notice a red slash across the camera icon. At that point, Zoom will show your profile picture in place of your live video, as long as you've already uploaded one to your account. This is useful if you want to maintain a more polished appearance in meetings without staying on camera the whole time. It can also help other participants identify you more easily than if only your name appears on screen. One quick tip: if your profile picture doesn't appear right away, give Zoom a moment to refresh or leave and rejoin the meeting if needed. In most cases, though, it should show automatically as soon as your video is turned off. And that's it. Now you know how to show your profile picture instead of video in Zoom.